My people, now well done. Oh, good morning, oh, good afternoon, good evening. Oh, Daily Bear Trader is here today. Today, na sensitive topic we dey discuss, and the topic na signal providers. People wey dey give una signal, wey dey give us signal, and say make we come trade, make we come say they go give us signal, they go drop this thing for you, and then you dey follow the signal. How many of una dey follow the signal wey una dey make money? How many of una dey consis ten t wey una dey make the money for the signal wey una dey follow? You dey for inside WhatsApp signal group, they dey provide the message, they go say buy gold, they go say make you enter for 4540, they go put target of 4565, they go put stop loss of 4520, then you go enter immediately, then you go come go enter, your heart go come dey beat, you dey watch the chart, na so the price go move small, then e go come back, then e drop below your stop loss, your trade don close, you don lose. But 10 minutes later, the provider don post screenshot say green number, say e go put emoji TP hit. You go say which TP? No be the same trade wey you give signal, which one be TP hit? Me I lose, you make money, wetin be that? You go come confuse, you go vex, your heart don break. Hey, omo, and you enter the same trade o, wetin come happen? So I go show you wetin dey happen. So now make you focus for this video, because you know say for this channel I don tell you before say our foundation na risk management. So I wan show you wetin dey happen for you wey dey go follow signal, be say the person wey dey follow signal dey celebrate, dey do whoop whoop, but you dey for here, you dey but you follow the same signal, wetin dey happen? I go show you. So this video wey I dey show now, na part 2. I don do part 1 before, when I put look for the link, make you click am. The 6 pillar, the system wey I dey use, wey I dey take make use $7 to make $21 for gold every day. So today I wan show you why that system matters. Why having your own system na this only way to survive for this market. You dey hear? So now make I take you into this one wey I dey talk about now. So as e dey like this now, you dey see am. So on the left, this left wey you dey see so, na wetin you go dey your WhatsApp group dey give you. They tell you make you enter gold, buy, they put entry, they put target, they put stop loss, they say enter immediately. See, the person wey put the thing, na 10,000 be in your account. In lot size na 1.0 lot. E dey risk 20 pips, $200. E dey target 50 pips, which is $500. So by the time when you finish the trade, in stop loss, when the thing go against am, you no touch your stop loss. But you wey be say you enter immediately, you go trust the signal, you no even check your chart, you no even check your lot size, you no check your account size, you enter gbagagara with your small $300. As the thing go against you, your spread wider spread, that's why you sweep your loss. You dey see am. So when you dey trade with these people, you go need to understand say their risk appetite different from your risk appetite. No just dey jump enter like that gbagada, you go dey complain. No be say they dey do anything wrong, but you never understand say na strategy dey take follow all this kind thing. They no dey just enter like that blindly. So na the lot size now, when the person put this lot size, why dem dey win when you dey use? They put big lot size. Even when the thing just enter small, e give them better profit. But you, for you, with your small tachere wey you put inside, you dey follow them wey dey drag space. So the provider no dey lie you, dem really win, but una never dey trade the same trade. No be the same trade una dey trade. You dey hear me? So make you understand say if you dey follow the forex, these people provider, signal provider, make you no dey follow them blindly. Make you no dey follow them blindly. Some of una no go put stop loss. You go enter trade. You say stop loss na wey be say I go show you how they enter am. Omo, that my own sweet well. I go show you. So for the stop loss, as you dey enter the trade, you dey fix your stop loss. Make you no pass for my system. Make you no pass $7. But if the trade move against you, when you no put stop loss, you don't break your system with that one. No trade without stop loss. You go dey hold trade. So you say the trade go soon come back. It go soon come back. If it go soon come back, it go soon come back. If you go watch my introduction video, you go see am. where they just say, it go soon come back, it go soon come back. That's why I blew $500. That my first video introduction. You go see, and I go put the link now for this, so make you go watch am. If you even go for the end, make you see where I talk and where. Before you know, your account don't finish. But you see stop loss, when you put stop loss, you put the control till you dey lose. You understand? So stop loss na your seat belt o. You no go remove your seat belt because you think accident no go happen o. You dey hear me? Aha! Now, so wetin signal followers dey experience wetin dey experience? If you carry your account if you put your account, when you may say for example now you start with $300, you put one loss, you lose, your account don go 86%. You lose another one, your account go 72%. You lose another one, your account go 58%. You see am? By the time wey you dey lose your third one, see your signal problem. Person wey you dey follow signal, dem don post video signal, dem don celebrate. You dey continue. As dem dey celebrate their win, dem go send you VIP group. Dem dey make money for this group wey dem dey do. Dem dey make money. Some people dey pay money say make dem dey give dem signal. So people go dey come. Dem go post that profit wey dem make. Dem make the money, I dey tell you, dem make am. Dem still dey win o, but dem no dey mention your loss. Say you wey dey follow dem, how you take lose. Dem go don post another win again. By that time your account don die. You don dey frustrated. Na only you waka come. Na only you waka come. There is God o. There is God o. Na only you waka come. You dey hear me? So you see say no be say dem dey do anything bad o. The real truth dem no dey lie o, but dem dey leave you on your own. Wetin dem dey do right dem dey analyse the market well. Dem entry dey mostly correct. Dem risk management na solid for their account. Dem win rates fit be genuine maybe 60 to 70 o. But wetin dem dey do wrong dem no dey tell you their account size. Dem no dey tell you their lot size. Dem no dey teach you position sizing. Dem celebrate wins publicly. Dey ignore your loss. Dem collect your subscription whether you win or you lose. So wetin you need, but nobody go tell you you need to know how to size your position. You need your own stop loss based on your account. That's na wetin we dey do for this group. You need to understand why dem enter, not just copy. You need a system, not a signal. Na the system now dey deliver to you now. I dey deliver am free of charge. So the signal should no owe you anything o. No owe you anything. After you pay, you owe yourself to learn the system o. So the alternative learn the system. Stop paying for signal. You dey hear me? Learn the system. I don teach you one system now already. Make you learn am, but you go dey follow me make I dey show you how to do am, because you go need to train your eyes. Na eyes, you go dey train your eyes, because even as you don know am now sef if you never still train your eyes, or your eyes no go dey see anything o. So that's why you go dey still dey follow me. So signal follower life, you go pay. See whether na because you pay you go make something. You go copy your trade blindly, you no understand anything. Your account go blow. Father no send you anything. You go dey beg for refund. That's why I call my broker that time wey I blow. I called them for I said it was a mistake. But they don't hear me. They don't listen to me. To start again with a new provider, same cycle, same result, different name. You hear me? So calm down. Say calm down, farabale, calm down. So for daily bread trader, we no dey do any subscription. This group na free, no group fee. Understand why every trade dey enter, your system, your rules, your result. Small account, no problem. $7. We go dey do am together. I go follow you. I go hold your hand. Carry you, deliver you for the promised land. Both of us we go dey feel the emotion together. You dey feel me? So that's why I say make you spread this group spread am forget all those ones wey dey do make I no talk this one talk. So lose, you know wetin go wrong. So when you lose you go know wetin go wrong. When you win, you know wetin you do right. You go learn, you go grow. You understand? So welcome to Daily Bread Trader. So one thing wey I need you to remember, the signal provider no dey lie to you. but una never did dey trade the same trade. So when they call them forex bandit everywhere, no, no be like that. Eh? Na their strategy, they make their money in their own way, but you know they understand what they do. So wetin we dey do for this channel now be say we wan carry you along. You understand? Don carry you along. Hold your hand. I don follow their signal before. I don lose money well well. E get one wey I dey follow that. As I dey follow that one, you go dey celebrate. I dey vex. So which kind of nonsense be this? You go put trade. The thing go go against am. She go add another layer. E go go against am. She go add another layer. Then when the thing come up small, in fact, the risk wey she dey even take on sef, e no even dey commensurate with the reward wey e come. She go come put one emoji wey dey show celebration. My account don already blow by that time. I go say, which kind of life be this? Which kind of life be this? Yeah? So no be say they like, na they get big account, all of those things I don show you. So make you follow this channel. Now this channel will help you and comot for this predicament we don dey. So make you subscribe for this channel and like this channel. Turn on your notification because the way I don talk and say we go dey do am be say in the morning I go come analyze the trade, I go put am for today. I go come put my point. Then when I want trade, I go go live. I will come also drop my signal for inside the Telegram group. Join the Telegram group, make it carry you go there now. So that in case you miss my video, or maybe you don't get data to stream video, but you go get data to receive message, anyone. But I go there everywhere. We there for TikTok, we there for Twitch, we there everywhere. I go even put a live everywhere. I want make everybody they follow me everywhere. Because everybody need to make money. This year must soft for everybody. It must soft. It must soft. It must soft. Thank you very much. Well done. Bye-bye.